everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I am going to work on our little Hope mini journal today, just a little bit. I hope you guys are having a great day and everything is going well. And so what I'm going to do is put a couple of tabs in here. So I've pulled out of the pockets these little circles. They're all about the same size. So I am going to use those for tabs. And then I pull these two rectangles out. And I'm going to put them back to back and use those for a tab. So I'm looking, I probably would want to mark this box fold thing because I usually want to go to that when I open a journal. So I'm going to mark that, looking to make sure it doesn't obscure anything important. So I'm going to get my art glitter glue. Am I the only one that has glue issues? Okay, so I'm going to put it about that far into the page. Hopefully that works on this side. And yeah, I think it'll be all right. Glue this to this, back to back. Gonna stick out just maybe, no, it's about right. Thought it might stick over that pocket, but okay, so I will ink that just to cover any white flashes. Get my little vintage photo distress ink. Just hit the ends, edges. And so now what I'm going to do, I've got these little bee charms. I got those at Hobby Lobby. They had them on half price because they were, I think Paper Studio or something was on 50% off. So I'm going to take a bulb pin and hook it on there. And then I'm going to take my little punch. I've got this little punch. I think you could probably find it at a office supply. It's smaller than the standard circle. You may also have a crocodile that has a smaller punch, however you want to do it. I'm just going to punch a small little hole out here and hang my charm on this tab. And let's see. That thing to be towards the front. So I'm going to do that with this little charm. And then I'm also going to hang one down. I've got to get another bulb pin. And I'm just going to hang it down in the back because that way as you're looking through it, it will show all the way through it and it won't be in your way. So I guess I'll hang it. Do I want to hang it there where that bee is? I'm just looking to see where the best place. I guess if I can punch through that, that's 3 layers of paper. I think I can. So let's see. It's going to have to be oh yeah, that wasn't hard. Let me get my other bee charm out. They had a lot of cute bee things everywhere, so there's lots of little things you can buy. Like that's a secret. There's always lots of cute things you can buy. Okay, so we get that fastened on there. Okay. Okay, so that's that's that little bee charm. And here's the other little bee charm. So now I'm going to take these circles and I'm going to glue them on as tabs. So you could do it different ways. I was kind of tempted. Well, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my 1-inch punch, and then I'm going to get some of my scrap paper. See if I have anything that goes with this. I think that would probably go. So I'm going to punch one of those over here where it's more pink. And that. And let me look for some other paper for the back of it. See if I can find something. Well, I don't know about you, but when I go look for paper, it could take quite a while going through everything. I finally decided to take a new sheet out of a pad that I just got, again, at Hobby Lobby. And so I'm just going to punch, well, here's another one. I'm going to punch one out of that, and then, come out over here on this other side where it's a little bit different color. So that they're not exactly the same. What I'm going to do, oh, I had that too. Wait a minute. I think I might want that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to take the little circles. Where did they go? There they are. And, oh, you know what? They are 1-inch circles. Okay, that's all right. I can still use these. I'm going to take a colored circle and this and use it as a tab. So back to back. And so no big deal. Oh, got more than one here. Hang on. What color is this one? All right. Oh, wait a minute. So I'm going to put one here. I need to put a little bit more glue there. I did not do that. I didn't do that the way it should have been done. Don't stick your circles together first. Do it. Stick one circle on your paper and then stick the other circle over it. All right, so I put this one on with the colored side out and the word on the back. This one I'm going to do the other way around. And I'm going to put this one here. Let's see, I got to watch out for this. I don't want to, maybe I won't do that there. Let's see. I can put one down here. So I'm going to glue this to the page, sort of half and half. And then glue this over on the other side. And I probably should have used my photo, vintage photo on that, but I did not. So, and this one says watch and pray. So I could put that there. So it's just up to you if you want to use these circles as tabs or if you just want to put them in pockets. You get to do whatever you want to do. And let's see, maybe Let's see, so now I'm down to just the colors of paper. And so I'll just put maybe these two back to back. And I guess I should. I wasn't really wanting to ink the ones with words. I didn't think they needed it. They had a black circle around them. But these might need a little bit of something. So I better pull this out so I don't make this any more difficult than I have to. Okay, so this is going to be up here. And do I need any more? I don't think I really need any more than that. I mainly just wanted to use those ones with the words, so I'm going to stop with that. So I have this flower, and I was going to look for, this came on a gift somebody gave me. It was stuck to the ribbon on it, and I pulled it off. And I mean, that could go there. Not sure how well this flower is going to fold down. Hopefully it knows how to lay flat. Try to curl those petals back a little bit, because I'm afraid they'll end up folding down if I don't. Guess I could glue them. Okay. All right, so let's put a little bit of glue on them. And put that here. Oh, that's going to make it fat. Yep. Oh, here. Okay, there's a word. Guess I'll put one more tab. Let's see. That already says expect, so I don't want to put that there. Okay, so this is the verse, hope, to expect something beneficial in the future. That's not a scripture, sorry. But it's the definition of hope. Bible hope is to expect something beneficial in the future. And so expect sort of repeats that. I think that'd be a good place for it. If I can do it where I don't mess up what's on this side. So that's not very attractive. Let me see. I like this one better. I'm going to punch some more out of that. It's a little bit busy. Oh, well. Okay. So, nope, I need it over here. Okay. All right. Maybe down at the bottom. Nope, it needs to come up here. All right. All right. So line it up from both sides. Ah, no. Well, oh, it's going to let me. That's this kind of glue This, or glitter glue doesn't usually let you change your mind very easily. But it let me that time, so. Can't get it perfect, but, well, when nothing else works, use your Distress ink and it hides it. Okay. All right, so that gets my, where did that go? You know, I put this stuff in just so I knew that I had enough stuff to put in a journal and fill it. It's not really necessarily where it has to go. Oh, here's another thing. Okay. All right, so we've done the charms, we've done the tabs, and I bet you that's, sorry. That is all I'm going to do today, because I am working on the Faith Journal. That's the next one I'm doing. And so I just wanted to come on and just do a quick one with a little bit of stuff on it, and then run away and finish working on my journal. So I will tell you, I'm kind of excited, not kind of, I'm very excited about the Faith Journal. It's a large journal, and I'm using as a theme field notes. So, you know, like people take a notebook out and make notes when they go out and look at nature and things. And so that's sort of the design topic, but it's going to be about faith. So I'm calling it Faith Field Notes. So anyway, I thank you very much for watching, and I will be back soon with the next video. We're going to do the cover next. Bye-bye.